Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple yogurt strawberry ice cream. And here are the ingredients that we need. 500 grams of frozen strawberries, this is about 1 pound. 245 grams of low-fat yogurt, that is equal to 1 cup or 250 milliliters. And our last ingredient, 24 grams of granulated sugar, that is equal to 2 tablespoons. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. To make this really simple, I'm using a food processor here. I'm using a metal blade attachment. I'll get that in there. Get all of my strawberries. I'll get in my granulated sugar and our yogurt. There we go. I'm gonna get my top on, and then I'm just gonna pulse this. I'm gonna scoop some of this out. And look at this, how nicely this scoops out. And you can really see that really nice texture. Oh, so nice. Let me zoom in a little bit. So hopefully you can see this much better now that I've zoomed in. Look at that really nice texture on this. It looks just like ice cream. Low-fat yogurt, frozen strawberries, and a little bit of sugar. Super refreshing. Oh, that is really good. So there we have it. I hope you try this recipe out. A really fun one. 3 simple ingredients. You're gonna have fun with this at home. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I do really appreciate that. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Yum. That's really good. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.